Jetstream's FXG2 Tornado Gun includes many features to make it the most reliable surface cleaning control gun on the market. The swivel assembly includes large bearings and seals for smoother, longer life. The high-pressure seal and bushing use an improved design for longer life and easy removal. The barrel is supported with 3 maintenance-free greaseless bushings. The wing nut adjustable handle means no tools are required to achieve the perfect fit. The high torque air drill allows for more consistent spin speed. The FXG2 is VSS orange color for increased safety. There are 4 available FX nozzle heads, F3, F4, F5, or F6, for fine-tuning the blast to various applications. Choose the number of nozzles that match the job, whether stripping multiple layers of coating down to bare white metal or removing only the top coat to expose the primer. It is easy to manage with different FX nozzle heads. There are 3 nozzles to choose from: external hex sapphire, internal hex sapphire, and synthetic diamond. Available nozzle head guard shields the head and barrel from contact damage, acting as a guide to position the nozzle head the most effective blasting distance from the target. A front barrel guard can protect the front bushing from debris damage. Available straight or offset shoulder stocks add to the comfort of blasting with the FXG2. It's your choice. The Tornado Gun requires the multi-mode valve for 2-gun operation, or can be utilized with a tumble box or lightweight valve for single gun use. Jetstream's FXG2 Tornado Gun is the smoothest, most reliable, and safest rotating barrel control gun on the market. To learn more, visit our website at waterblast.com.